Good morning, traders, and welcome to live trading room from Trademy.com. This is Kyriakos Harilaou talking, and I would like to welcome you to another exciting week here at Trademy.com. Good morning, Roberto from Canada. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I hope you had a nice weekend, got a nice rest, had a pleasant time. Let's check who else is with us. I see with us is Alan. I see is with us is George. I see with us Laura, Patrick, Rachel. Good morning, Rachel. And good morning, Roberto. So people are coming slowly in our trading room. So I would like to tell you that it's going to be an exciting week, a lot of announcements, a lot of ECB announcements, a lot of ECB ratings this week. It's definitely going to be a volatile week, and we will enjoy the price action as we always do. I also see that Fanos has just joined us. Good morning, Fanos, and welcome to our trading room. So let's see today, where do we stand and what are our positions in the Forex pairs. Good morning, Alan. Nice to have you in the trading room. And as I said very many times, guys, I want you to, of course, participate in the chat room. We are a big family here, and we are here to make you better traders, both myself, Kyriakos, and my colleague, Elif. So let's start first of all with the news announcements. Remember that we are monitoring the news announcements from forexlive.com. So we are monitoring the news announcements from forexlive.com. For today, Monday, we don't have any important announcements. However, the good stuff starts from tomorrow, as we have consumer confidence for the EU. Bank of England's Governor Carney will talk, but the really interesting stuff start from Wednesday onwards, Wednesday, October 24. We have a lot of news regarding France, Germany, EU, Canadian dollar on Wednesday. We have also US dollar market services as well. And we have Bank of Canada press conference. We have trade balance for the New Zealand. Then we have interest rates on Thursday, ECB interest rates, monetary policy statement and press conference by 12:30 by Super Mario Draghi on Thursday. And the action, of course, continues with another speech of Draghi along with GDP on Friday. So as you can expect, it's going to be an exciting week with lots of new announcements. But for today, it seems that the markets will not be affected from any news, except if, of course, Donald Trump decides to place a tweet. So, welcome again to our live trading room, and let's go straight to our today's Forex positions. I would like to remind you once again that I'm just indicating here how I'm personally trading Forex. Nobody's forcing you to follow me on any of the trades, and if you follow me, it's at your own personal discretion. For those of you who would like to follow, if you see a negative number there, it means that if you decide to follow me now, you will get it at a much better price. If you see a positive number there, it means that if you decide to follow me now, you will get it at a worse price. If you see two trades on the same pair, then you always need to choose to follow, if you wish, the biggest size. So for example, I'm short and long on pound Aussie, but I have 15 lots on pound Aussie long. So if you want to follow me on this, I'm long on pound Aussie because I have a bigger position size long. The same for dollar CHF and all the pairs. So let's see what the current Forex positions are. They have been initiated just a few minutes ago, so let me write them down for you guys. So first trade for the morning, I have shorted Aussie dollar at 71,193, stop loss 71,763, and TP 0.70843. Good morning, Jenna. More people are coming. So I would like to repeat that I'm just posting the first trade I have placed for this week, and it is a short position on Aussie dollar at 71,193 with a stop loss at 71,763. Adrian has also joined us, so let's wait a few more minutes before I write the next of the trades. So first trade, short Aussie dollar at 71,193, stop loss 71,763. Okay, an alert, we have just reversed again our positions to short on euro yen. So let me go straight to this trade. This is the second trade for the moment. On euro yen, I'm short at 129.951. Stop loss. Hello, Daniel, and welcome. I hope you will have a nice week here at Trademy.com. So I'm just posting now. I have just reversed to short positions on euro yen at 129.951. Stop loss 135.1 and TP at 129.601. So we have just reversed to short positions on euro yen, and I have just placed the trade. Third trade for the moment, I have entered long positions on euro USD. Entry level price 1.15437. Stop loss 1.14867 and take profit 1.15787. This is the third trade for the moment. Fourth trade, I have reversed to long positions on pound Aussie, entry level price 1.83952. Stop loss 1.83382 and TP at 1.84302. Daniel, where are you? I can't see you online. Are you there? Okay, guys, let's see who is with us before I move on with the next of the trades. So a lot of people have just joined us. Daniel, you have just joined us. So good morning. I'm just posting the trades. I see also, hello, Rachel. Just type something in the chat room so that I know that you are hearing me, guys. Hello, Roberto, and welcome from Canada. Rachel is from, Rachel, where are you from? I forgot it. Are you from UK? I think Anne-Marie is from Sweden, right? Yes, Anne-Marie is from Sweden. So we have from Canada, we have from UK. Rachel, thank you very much. Daniel is also from the UK. Roberto is from Canada. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So then the last trade I have placed is a long position on pound Aussie, as you can see. And let's move on with the next of the trades. As you can see, trade number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have initiated a long position on pound yen at 147.535 with a stop loss at 146.965 and a take profit at 147.885. Guys, can you hear me properly? Just type yes in the chat room if you can hear me properly. Please type a yes on the chat room if you can hear me. So I move on. Next one. I have, thank you, Daniel, and welcome. So I have shorted pound dollar at 1.3816. Stop loss 1.31386 and TP at 1.3466. That's the next trade. Next one, for the Kiwi, I have entered long positions on the Kiwi at 0.65977, stop loss 0.65407 and TP 0.65327. Next one, I have also entered the loonie or the dollar cut, long the loonie dollar cut at 1.30892 with a stop loss at 1.3322 and a TP at 1.31242. Next one, I have reversed this morning as well to short positions on dollar CHF. So I'm short dollar CHF. My entry level price was at 0.99402. with a stop loss at 0.99972 and a TP at 0.99052. And the last trade I have for the moment is a long position on dollar yen at 112.568 with a stop loss 112.198 and a TP at 130.118. So let's go straight and see how our pairs are doing, and then I will give a pass to Elif for the UK indices update. So we have a good bearish setup on the MAs on the Aussie dollar, but I don't have yet confirmation from MACD. I have confirmation from parabolics, RSI, and directional index. That's a bearish consensus. I have entered short positions. Euro yen, I have bullish signs from the MAs, no confirmation from MACD, confirmation from RSI, no confirmation for ADX. I have initially entered a long position, but as you can see, this decline forced my system to enter a hedging short position. So for the moment, we have a short position on Euro yen. Euro dollar, same attitude as Euro yen, but is more bullish. You can see is more bullish than the Euro yen. It hasn't triggered yet the short position, so we are still long on Euro dollar. Pound Aussie, we have just reversed to a long position of Pound Aussie. Now this indicates a huge move is expected. If you see a clustering, if you see all the moving averages coming together in a very low price, in a very narrow price range, it means that a clustering occurs and an explosion of the prices is expected. What do you see here, guys? If those who have enrolled in more advanced training programs, we see a clear squeeze and breakout buy signal of the Bollinger Bands. So that's why I have reversed to long positions on Pound Aussie. Moving on, Pound Yen, a bit of a consolidation phase. Nice close above the Bollinger Bands, now is correcting. It's bullish, the Pound Yen today. However, I have suspicion that if the price breaks this level, then I will reverse to short positions. In end, I need another break to the upside to go long again. So for the moment, we have long positions on Pound Yen. Good morning, Nuno, and welcome. Let's see who else has just joined us, guys. No one else. So Nuno, welcome. It's nice to have you here. Next one, Pound Dollar. Hello. Nuno, where are you from? Can you remind us, please, where are you from? We have Rachel and Daniel from UK. We have Roberto from Canada. We have Portugal. Okay, the family is getting bigger. We are covering more kilometers across the globe. So we have also Nuno from Portugal. So Pound Dollar, bearish attitude. However, since the morning is following an upside trend, so I decided to enter a short position because it seems that the price has found resistance on the moving average of 200 periods, which I repeat is a very important level for the intraday traders. So I'm speculating now that the price will not close above the MA of 200 periods. Moving on, I have entered long positions on the Kiwi. That was before this decline. Of course, it didn't decline so much. Now we have the MA. We have, of course, a bullish cross. If I see new daily lows, new current day lows, then I will reverse to short positions. But for the moment, I'm still long. Dollar CAD is a big mystery for me, guys. Since I don't know how oil will react, Elif will tell us about oil. Remember that dollar CAD usually goes reverse from oil. If oil goes up, dollar CAD goes down, but that's not always the case. So it's a really mystery for me. However, as you can see, I have decided to enter long positions. I see some divergences on the RSI. The MA of 200 periods is here, so I consider a bullish trend regarding the MAs, and I will see how it will go. And also, I have reversed again short positions on dollar CHF, but as you can see, the price, although it has broken below the MA of 200 periods, is now going against me. That's why if we have a full recovery of this move, I will initiate a long position, so I will reverse again to long positions on dollar CHF. For the moment, we are short. And the last trade, dollar yen, very bullish, is the most bullish pair from all. Dollar yen, bullish MAs, MACD, RSI, overbought, extremely bullish. ADX extremely bullish. We will see how it will go. For the moment, we are long dollar yen. So this is the update. Guys, have you placed any Forex trades today? Have you placed any of the trades that I have? Just write it in the chat room so that I know who has decided to follow me and on which pairs. Okay. Remember that my system, my philosophy, I don't want to hit stop losses. If a trade is going against me, I reverse my position with a bigger position size and I adjust my TPs and profits accordingly so that in case any of the trades close, I will always close with a profit. So these are the positions. And Elif, are you ready for the indices? Let's go to Elif.
Hello everybody, welcome to our live trading session here at Trademy.com. Getting ready to kick the markets on Monday morning here. Guys, it's interesting. I don't really know what this week will bring us. It's a lot of action. I'm expecting a lot of action this week. Really, I'm expecting a lot of action, and hopefully we will be in the action included, right guys? So let's see, with us today, Roberto Nuno from Portugal. Nice, Portugal. Nice weather there. Rachel and Fanos, Daniel, Ellen. Hello, Ellen. Last week we were missing you. Adrian, Fanos. George is also with us this morning. Jeff and Jenna, Laura, and Patrick. Nice to have you guys here. And let's start with some trades. First of all, to mention, gold hit as we expected on Friday against 1,230 and started to drop again. Now it's traded at 1,224. Very crucial. It's trying to hit below 1,225. Let's see if this happens. We see also here on the hourly chart a possible cross. Guys, I will enter a long position on gold now. Let me check it again. Let me check it a bit more. It has a very nice downtrend since this morning. And I'm expecting technically that this downtrend might continue because we are in a squeeze. But the 1,225 is very crucial, and that's why I will go long on gold. Guys, I'm going long on gold. Just entered a long position on gold, guys. Let me see. So, guys, we are long on gold. We just opened a long position and I will put my take profit here at 1,226. 1,226 is my take profit. I don't expect much. It's just $2,700, which I'm expecting from this trade. Yeah, just this amount. Currently, we almost paid off the spread, and we will see how it will work. So next one, this is our gold trade. Let me write it down on chat. Let me write it down on chat, guys. I am long on gold. And I entered at 1,225.46. And my take profit is at 1,226. So this is my first trade for this morning, and let's see how we will hit our take profit. Next one, DAX. Let's have a look on DAX. Ooh, oh, DAX is very, very clear. Guys, DAX is clear. I'm selling DAX. There we go. I just sold DAX. Just sold DAX. It's very clear. It's very, look at this. There is, we go for a profit over here, guys. Here we go for a profit. On DAX, my take profit will be at, let me see where we will put our take profit on DAX. At 11,585. This is my take profit. It's approximately the day's opening, and I believe we will get there quite soon and very fast. And we are expecting here a profit of $1,400. As you know, guys, we always adjust our take profits. We might adjust our take profits. I see gold is making right now $500, $600. Anyone entered with me gold? We are making right now $600. We paid off the spread. We are making right now $600. But as you know, gold is very volatile. It will always move in a certain range, and then it will break through. So if you feel like you want to close the trade before it has take profit, feel free, guys. It's your account. You can decide how you want to trade. And I might take a bigger risk than you. I might want to wait longer for a position to get triggered than you. It's up to you guys how you want to handle your account. So this is so far this, and now we have two trades. I will enter also here my second trade for your information. DAX, I entered at 11,609.33, and my take profit is at 11,585. This is my position on gold, on DAX. On DAX, this is our position, and we go for the next one. France 40. Also, their national day is coming close on the 16th of November. France has a national day. I see we have here also a nice downtrend. Nice downtrend on France 40. But I'm not. Yes, guys, I'm also selling France 40. Here we have our take profit. The profitability of France 40 is, as you know, a bit limited. So I will put here my take profit at 5,085. 5,085 is my take profit, and it's around, yeah, around $800 profit. The reason why I have chosen this take profit, it's very clear. We passed, you see here, this was the entry, the opening of today. As you can see, the price tried several times to break through. Bless you, Kyriakos. It broke through, and now I'm expecting a very strong downtrend on DAX. On France 40. I'm expecting here a strong downtrend, and I put my take profit below the Friday's closing, and on the low level of Friday. This is my take profit for France 40. We will see how it will develop, and I will let you know. On DAX, we paid off the spread. On France 40, we just paid off the spread. Goes well. Let me write down also this trade. France 40, also the official name is CAC 40. Let me write down both. 40, so, and I am short also here, and I entered at 5,098. My take profit is at 5,085. Guys, this is my next trade here. So let's go for the next one. Somebody was asking about oil this morning. Who was asking about oil? Kyriakos was asking about oil, I guess, because of the cat news, right? Well, oil, you see oil. Let's put it on the 1 hour chart to get a general idea. As you know, I was talking the whole entire last week about it. Entire week I was talking about it last week, about the Saudi journalists which were killed in a Saudi embassy in Istanbul. And during the weekend, the royal family really confirmed his death, and showed also, the blamed person, the murderer, and this will cause some sanctions, or the international area is discussing about how they can decide about some sanctions towards Saudi Arabia. If they cut some weapon deals, if they react with cutting of oil or so on. But this is not as easy as it would be with any other country, because everybody is afraid of the oil price. Currently, the oil price is at $69. And as you can see, since the last week, it is in a very strong squeeze. The last time we had some movement was during the oil inventories here last week. We traded it together, as you can remember. Also this week we are planning to trade the oil inventories Wednesday afternoon together, so get ready. And now you see over here the squeeze. Yeah, this is the squeeze, and I'm expecting as soon as one of the international players decides to take any type of sanctions against Saudis, this price will jump. And some analysts, they even consider that it might jump to $120. So another $50 more than the current price. So we are getting ready for this kind of movement. For today, if we trade now oil for today, I want to go long on oil. Guys, it's very clear. We had this nice slow uptrend, a pullback, and now it's again an uptrend. So we go long on oil. Here we go. We just opened the long position on oil, and I will put my take profit on oil at 69.795 is my take profit on oil. And I'm aiming $700 out of this trade. So guys, I am long on oil. I am long on oil, and I entered at 69.641. My take profit is at 69.795. So, and I'm expecting $700 out of this trade. Let's see how it will go. So, guys, for you, for now, we have a trade on a long trade on oil, a short trade on France 40, a short trade on DAX, and a long trade on gold. Gold just ripped off. Oh, I see. Kyriakos has an update. I will pass directly to Kyriakos, and then we will be back here with my trades.
Thank you very much, Elif. Okay, guys, as I have informed you in the trading room, we have some reversals of positions, but we can see also that the pound dollar trade is performing very nice. We have shorted it here almost at the highest level of the day. And as you can see, it's falling. We see a squeeze and breakout signal, sell signal. It has broken below the MA50, and at the same time, it has broken also below the Bollinger Band, so it's heading straight towards my take profit. And if I hit take profit, this will be the first $2,450 for this week. So how many of you guys have managed to follow me on pound dollar? I would love to know that, as we are both here, the mentors, very happy if we hear students are following us and they are not afraid to trade. I repeat, I don't want you to be afraid to trade. Just manage your risk and let trading become fun. Okay, so the difference between fun and disaster is a very thin line. Keep your leverage manageable. Okay, so we are monitoring the pound dollar trade, the pound dollar position. Nuno, have you followed me on this trade? Daniel, Rachel, Roberto, just let me know, guys, if you have followed me on this trade. Currently, as you can see, is my best performing trade for the moment. I would love to know, however, if you have followed me, and I would love to know in the chat room if you have any questions about the way I'm trading. As I said, my system is based on the fact that I don't want to hit stop loss. If something goes wrong, I'm reversing the position with a bigger size and I adjust my TPs and stop losses accordingly. So if one trade closes, they are all closed with a profit. Okay, so this is the philosophy of the system. You have, regarding position size, you have the Excel spreadsheet that I have provided to your account managers. Depending on your account balances, you can use it and adjust your position sizes accordingly. Let me show you how this Excel works so that you know. The initial position size is the size of your first position. For example, you see here on pound Aussie, my first initial position size is 7 lots. However, as you can see, you can adjust that. Is minimum 0.05. So if your initial position size is 0.05, have in mind that for each pair, you might get reversed 7 times. So do your calculations based on your account balances. You might need to get a position open of 8.26 lots. So this Excel is available through your personal account managers, and you can use it. If you have any questions how it works, you can ask them. If you would like to see the philosophy of this system, you can arrange a one-to-one session with me or with my colleague Elif, based on her strategies, of course, and we will be more than glad to assist you on that. Now, pound dollar is doing very good. I repeat that this Excel basically just tells you the position size of the reversals of the trades. It doesn't tell you when to enter exactly. Position is the one part of the success, but the entry levels, guys, and the TPs and the stop losses, you need to come to a one-to-one session to explain them better, or you just need to access the trading room and watch my screen. So best performing trade for the moment is pound dollar. As I have informed you from the trading room, I have also reversed to short positions on euro yen. I have reversed to short positions on euro dollar. So as you can see, I'm allowing the directional market volatility to dictate me what positions I will open. So no worries at all. On pound Aussie, I have reversed again to net short positions. Pound yen net short, pound dollar short, approaching our TP, and the others are still developing. And I have also reversed again to long positions on dollar CHF. So how many of you have followed me on a pound dollar at least? Anyone, guys? Just let me know if you have followed me on any of the trades so that I keep my eye on them. If you have any other forex positions, let me know so that I keep my eye on them so I can update you accordingly to the volatility of the price. So I see that Elif has just entered a long position on oil and she has just posted it. So as I said, I'm getting ready to hit take profit on pound dollar. The pair is now recovering a bit, is close to the daily lows. If we have new daily lows, I believe quickly the pair will drop and we will hit our TPs. It's just 9 pips away from our $2,450. So as you can see, account history is empty. I haven't closed any positions yet. Okay. So I am getting ready to make some money. So let's make some money, guys. So how many of you are trading Forex pairs? Daniel, are you trading Forex pairs? Just type in the chat room, guys. I want participation. Rachel is following me on pound yen. Rachel, are you short on pound yen? Because remember, I have reversed my positions to short on pound yen. Are you short or long? Have you sold? What about the rest of you guys? What about Nuno? Nuno, have you followed me on any of the trades? What about Roberto? Roberto, have you followed me on any of the trades? Daniel has followed me on some of the trades. Which trades, Daniel? So not yet just watching, Rachel, I would like to remind you that I have reversed to short positions on pound yen. Okay, so have this in mind, and I have also announced it on the chat. The entry level of short positions was 147.315. As I said, these positions can reverse at any time. If you want to follow my trades, you need to get this Excel from your account managers where we determine the position size. So if you would like to know more about it, you definitely need to come to a one-to-one session, and I will be more than glad to have a thorough presentation of how this system works. As I said, the philosophy of this system, why hit stop loss and not reverse your position accordingly to the directional volatility of the market, and instead of $2,000 stop loss, get $3,500 of profit. This is the philosophy. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm trading. We are monitoring pound dollar. So thank you for participating. Okay, guys, keep it this way. It's very important for us to see that the students are here with us. As I said, if you are still new to trading, open the minimum position size, 0.05 lots. Okay, just to get rid of the fear factor, of the stress factor from the markets. So push the buttons, trade, lose, win, so that you get the feeling of how the markets work, so that you get the excitement and the disappointment. Remember that I have said that in the afternoon on Friday. This is a job, it's a very good job. You live and die 1,000 times in a day. Okay, this is a job where you come to the office at 9 o'clock and the next time you see your watch is 5. There are not many jobs like this. The first time you see it is 9 in the morning. The second time you see it is 5 in the evening. So it's a very exciting job. And if you learn how to master it, and that's why we are here, you will get money, enjoy it. And that's exactly why us, the mentors, myself and Elif, are here for you. So one-to-one sessions, guys, they are very important. Talk with your account managers to arrange one-to-one sessions in order to improve your trading skills. So that's all for the moment. I'm currently watching the markets develop. As I said, my best performing trade, and as you can see from my screen, is pound dollar currently at the moment. So I will keep you updated if I have any more updates. So let's go, Elif. Do you have any updates regarding the indices? Thank you.
Hello, guys. Yes, Kyriakos is totally right. Totally right. It's a job full of passion. You really enjoy this. I do enjoy it. However, today it's one of the days where I think we start with that feeling. I think today we start. However, Kyriakos is totally right, guys. Great. Totally right. It's a passion full of. It's a job full of passion. When you start once trading, I think it's not very easy to pass a day without reading the news, pass a day without checking the oil price, the gold price, and so on. And as you said, it's a job where you die 1,000 times a day and wake up 2,000 times. And I think today it's one of the days where we start with a small bet performance. With a debt performance, our trades, they don't go very well right now, but it's, as you know, I know, we move a bit against, and then it's just catching up, and it's basically we just need a bit of time. We just closed one gold position with $2,700 profit. One gold position we closed, and we are still waiting for my oil and France 40 and DAX position. They need a bit more time to move. However, the other very interesting asset today is, guys, guess what? It's UK 100. UK 100. It's interesting in the aspect of Theresa May, who was saying this morning, makes a small announcement, sorry, that the Brexit plan is set 95% already. Well, 95%. So sounds good, but no result. Nothing is really announced yet, and this makes it that markets are like that. We are looking at the 15 minutes charts of UK 100 Monday morning and no move. Guys, the debt is over. Now we are waking up. On DAX, we are making right now $600. On France 40, we are making $300. Let's check those ones. Here is France. Here is DAX. Here's France. Get ready, guys. Get ready. Okay, France 40, I will leave it run because I see on my stochastic also now it's making fun, guys. Now it's making fun. Okay, get ready, guys. Get ready for DAX. Oh, okay. Kyriakos, I see. Kyriakos, do you have an update or not?
Just to let you know, guys, in 6 pips, we hit take profit on pound dollar. I will let you know if we close the position.
Okay, Kyriakos, thank you. So, guys, now it started to be a bit more ching, as Daniel said already. So, on DAX, we have a take profit at $1,400. I think it's at $1,400. I see. I will take it a bit higher because it's the closing of the day before, so it might take a bit time to hit. Kyriakos, is it? Yes, Kyriakos has the take profit. Ching time.
Already there. So, guys, as we can see, the pound dollar is currently trading at the daily lows and is falling. We are just 6 pips away from $2,450. Just 6 pips. There it is. It goes down now. Here is our take profit. Remember that for short positions, we are closing on the ask price. So that's why you have a different price on the chart and a different price here. This is the ask price. We want the ask price to fall down to 46.6. And just have in mind, I will let you know, I'm basically dreaming. Okay, Sebastian, that's a nice dream. All right, so get ready for the first $2,450 of the week, actually. There we go. It's falling nicely. We are just 5 pips now away. You see here, let's put the 1 minute chart so that we can see it clearly. 1 minute chart, there it goes, guys. Just 2 pips now, it's falling. Already the price is trading below our take profit level. We just need to cover now the spread cost of pound dollar. And as you can see, it's at 2.3 pips for the moment. So any moment now, I believe we will hit TP. Maybe this minute. Let's see. Everything is bearish on the 1 minute chart. But the 130.50 is a really strong support level. Let's see if the price will break it. Eliv, you can interrupt me at any time if you wish. So 4 pips away from our take profit. Let's see. We are monitoring the 1 minute chart of pound dollar. A nice decline, bearish setup on the MA is a resume of the bearish momentum on MACD. RSI is below 30, which indicates an extremely bearish momentum, and directional indicator is indicating me a strengthening and increasing negative directional movement. Currently, we are making $2,100 on pound dollar, but we need a further decline in order to hit our TP. We are just now 5 pips away, and I'm patiently waiting for the first profitable day trade for the week, for Monday, for the week. So guys, how many of you have followed me on pound dollar? I would like to remind you that if you are satisfied with the profits, okay, Daniel has just closed his pound dollar position, making $180, Daniel, or $1,800. It doesn't matter any amount. It's still money, guys. Well done. $180 for Daniel. $180 from Daniel. That's great. That's great. So it seems that the trade is still developing. We didn't touch the take profit yet. Half a lot. Okay, half a lot. No worries. Half a lot, $180 in how many minutes? In 40 minutes. It's a nice rate. It's a nice rate. So I'm monitoring the pound dollar chart, 1 minute chart, of course. What about the rest of you guys? So for the moment, let me recap the trades. Elif, you can interrupt me at any moment if you hit TPs. So for the moment, I'm short on Aussie dollar, I'm short on Euro yen, I'm short on Euro dollar, I'm short on pound Aussie, short on pound yen, short is across the board today, short pound dollar, I'm long the Kiwi, long dollar CAD, long dollar CHF, and long dollar yen. So basically today, it seems that the markets are in favor of the dollar. So the sentiment I get from these mornings today is that buy dollars, okay? At least on the majority of the pairs, buy the dollar for today morning, for this week's first day, trading day. So I'm patiently waiting for pound dollar to hit my TP, and I will let you know if I have any updates. For the moment, I'm monitoring the 1 minute chart, and I see Elif has some updates for you.
Hey guys, here I am again. So I see that Sebastian wants a dream saying ching ching. Believe me, the next step, Sebastian, is that your neighbors are ringing your doors during night because you are shouting ching ching during night. It's what happening to me. However, guys, we had just a small ching ching this morning of gold. We closed $2,700 on gold. Our France 40 and DAX positions are still right now in a pullback. So if any of you guys want to enter and follow, now it's the time, and I'm going now to increase my exposure on DAX now that it is going. Yep, now we have the pullback, and for me it's the best time to enter again a DAX position, and I just entered again a DAX position. I'm again short on DAX, guys. So short on DAX, and I will put my take profit at the same level as the previous trade. So I'm putting it at 11,587.87. There we go. So I have now two positions on DAX. Let me put also this again on chat. I am short again on DAX. I increased my exposure because I'm sure that the price will further drop. So DAX, short on DAX, and I entered it at 11,608.33. My take profit is at 11,587. There we go, guys. I entered again a short position on DAX. Nice one. Now I'm getting ready to enter again also a DAX, short position on France 40. Let me see on France 40. I will enter again a short position on France 40. I'm just looking for a nice moment to do so. Guys, also here I'm entering again a short position on France 40. Just opened again a short position on France 40. Yes, guys, I increase my exposure. And when I do that, it means I'm quite sure about the direction of this position. And I am, guys. I am sure about these positions, about these two positions. They just need a bit of time. The setup is very clear. And we go for that. Why not to abuse this movement, right, guys? So I entered short France 40 at 5,096.33. My take profit, I will put at the same level as my other take profit, 585. There we go. Take profit as 5,085. Here we are. So we have two positions open on France 40, two short positions on DAX, and one long position on oil. Oil, let's have a short look also on oil. For example, guys, here I will not increase my exposure, and I will explain you why I don't increase here my exposure. Because I know it looks like that the price will go up, but as you can see, the volumes are so little. They are so little, first. Second, it looks like that it will take time until it reaches this level. When I say it will take time, it might take an hour, it might take 2 hours, and I don't want to block my margin in this 1 hour, 2 hours for this oil trade. That's why I will not enter another oil position. I will leave it run, and when I see that the volume is increasing, then it's for me clear that I will enter again. But currently the volume is so low that I don't want to enter it again. That's why I don't. That's why I don't. And let me see. Let's go for the next one. Okay, let's check silver. What is happening with silver today? Okay, on silver. Guys, silver looks really nice. Silver looks extremely interesting. Look at this. Look at this, guys. We have a formation down, cross, high volatility, high volumes. Then huge move up, cross, drop, cross. It's time to enter long. Correct, Daniel. Daniel got the move. Correct. Yes. It's time to go long, right? Yes, we buy the dip. So we are going long on silver. We just opened a long position on silver, and I will put my take profit a bit lower than the peak. A bit lower than the peak, so we will go to this level. It's below the Bollinger Bands, it's below the peak, so it will try to reach that, but it might be the reversal point. That's why we go here long. This is my long position 14.660. It's my take profit. With this take profit, I'm aiming something like $480, guys. So let me write it down. I am long on silver. I entered at 14.635. My take profit is at 14.660. This is our next trade, guys. So what's going on with our France 50 and DAX positions? Yeah, we need a bit. They are identical. They are identical. Look, here we are looking at France 40 and here at DAX. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. The move is identical, right? And I'm sure if we hit here take profit, we will hit here take profit the same moment, guys. So let me see here the volumes. Okay, we have here reduced volumes. As you can see, we have a reduced volumes, which means soon we will have a push and we will get some movement down, guys. We will have some movement down. Silver, oil. Yeah, oil started slowly to move up. We hit the MA50 level on oil, as you can see here. And oh, Kyriakos has an update, guys. Go for Kyriakos.
Okay, guys, we are just 2 pips away from our take profit on pound dollar. As you can see, the price is declining fast. Let's put the 1 minute chart. There we go. Any minute now, 1.1 pips away. We want the price to break today's lows, and it's already trying to do that. Very strong increasing negative direction and volatility on the 1 minute chart. And we are just now half a pip away from our first $2,450. So this minute, I believe we will hit the take profit. We are already trading below our take profit level, just trying to cover the spread. Let's see if we will hit it now. It went a bit up again. All right. Okay, Daniel has a question about CAD yen. Okay, let me have a look at it, Daniel, and thank you for your request. Guys, if you are trading other pairs, others that the ones I'm trading, and you have requests, let me know. CAD yen, I think is FX CAD yen. All right, let us examine the CAD yen. In the meantime, let's keep our eyes on pound dollar. CAD yen. You price 85.75. All right. 80. There was your short entry level. Okay. Let me see. Wow. Daniel, did you see that? You have entered short exactly where the MA of 200 periods of the daily chart is. It's not that your direction is wrong, the entry level is wrong, Daniel. So if you have the patience to keep it, I will say that if you see a daily close above 87, give it away. Otherwise, if you don't have the patience to keep it, it's a wrong entry level. You never go short on the MA of 200 periods. It's up to you. All right, good. Have I answered your question? All right, so it happened that when you enter short, it was the MA of the daily chart. So be careful about that. And definitely we want to avoid that in the future, Daniel. So thank you for your question though. Very nice. Okay, guys. These are the type of questions I would love to have from you guys. So we can have a nice discussion. And Daniel now has just understood a very important thing. We never go short on the MA of 200 periods of the daily chart if the MA 200 period is a support level. So that's a good observation to make, and thank you for that. So I'm still waiting for that pound dollar to drop and hit my TP. I haven't closed it yet, but as you can see, is my best performing trade currently for the moment. So this, I think, concludes our morning session. I don't know, Elif, if you have any more updates. Okay, guys, I'm sharing my screen. We stay online. If you have any questions, just type them in the chat room. Some educational webinars will follow, and of course, we are always here for you to answer any questions you have. So for the moment, I haven't managed to close any positions, but I believe during the afternoon session, more positions will close. I expected to drop MACD. We will see about that, Daniel. We will see about that. All right. Thank you very much for being with us. Stay with us. You can communicate with us via the chat room. Just a small request, guys, regarding the financial webinars. As we are not providing any recordings and these webinars are exclusive for the participants of the trading room, you are kindly requested to take your own personal notes while viewing them. Thank you very much for monitoring us. If we have any updates, as usual, we will go live and inform you about them, or in the chat room via the chat message. And if you have any questions, let us know. Thank you very much. See you in approximately 4 hours from now, or as I said, if we have any updates, we will let you know. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon ahead. We will see you again at 4 p.m. at 1 p.m. UTC time. Thank you. Okay, guys, just 0.4 pips away from our TP, and there we go, guys. Okay, the first trade for the week. We have just closed our pound dollar positions with $2,450. This is the first profitable day of Monday, the first profitable day of trade of the week. So good start, $2,450 on pound dollar. Let's get the profits running. Thank you. Okay, guys, just a quick update. We see also the pound Aussie trade getting ready to hit our TP. There it is, our take profit from the pound Aussie position. We are less than 10 pips away out from our take profit. And also our short positions on pound yen are doing great. So a good day for the moment. So we are monitoring pound Aussie. And we see that the biggest position size, short position, will soon recover the losses of the previous long position and be in profit. That's the philosophy of the trading system I'm using. So any minute now, I believe we will take profits on pound Aussie and on pound yen. Let's check the pound yen. It's a bit far away, but we are getting there. So for the moment, my eyes are on pound Aussie. We are approaching, guys, the TP. You see the green lights on my screen. Let's see if we will manage and increase this amount to above $3,000 for the morning. Afternoon now, of course. So I'm monitoring pound Aussie. I'm letting the screen. Pound dollar also. Pound dollar, we have closed pound dollar, Daniel, with a profit. Good job. Euro dollar is also doing well. Short positions, of course. But for the moment, the best performing of all the remaining pounds, pound Aussie, pound yen, is pound Aussie. And I'm monitoring the chart, and I will let you know if we will manage and hit our TPs. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are very close to hit TP on pound Aussie. Very close to hit TP, just 1 pip away. There we go, guys. We just hit TP on pound Aussie very well, and we have increased our daily profits to almost $3,000, $2,997. So 2 trades closed in the morning. Pound dollar, pound Aussie, we are up almost $3,000. Stay with us. More is coming. Thank you. Okay, guys, welcome back again. We are getting ready to hit take profit on our pound yen position. It seems that the pounds are behaving very well today. Currently, we have closed pound dollar and pound Aussie. So the next one is pound yen. We are short on pound yen. And our take profit now is just 8 pips away, less than 8 pips away from its triggering price. A few updates that I have informed you in the trading room, in the chat room, is that I have reversed to short positions on the Kiwi just a few minutes ago, and all the rest remain the same. So I'm short Aussie dollar, I'm short euro yen, I'm short euro dollar, I'm short pound yen. I have reversed to short positions on the Kiwi. I'm long dollar CAD, and I'm long dollar CHF, and I'm long dollar yen. So it seems that today is buy the dollar sentiment, okay? So based on the Forex pairs at least. So buy the dollar is the sentiment for Monday morning, the first trading day for the week. Currently, we are monitoring the pound yen positions. Already the bigger short position has recovered fully the losses of the long one, and we are all in the money. So get ready to hit TP. We are just 6 pips away, and I will let you know if we hit TPs. Thank you. Okay, guys, good news. Guess what? Just seconds away before our previous connection, after our previous connection, and we have closed also pound yen positions. So pound yen positions were just closed, and we have increased our daily profits to $3,712. So the pounds are all closed. Pound Aussie, pound yen, pound dollar, short positions. Currently we are up $3,712. Stay for more, guys. It's going to be a good day. Stay for more. I will update you if I have anything else to say. Thank you. So I'm back, guys. It seems that our euro dollar short position is doing great. As you can see, we're just 10 pips almost away from our take profit level. Also, the dollar CHF long position is doing very well. The short on the euro dollar is doing well. Short on euro yen is doing well. Short on euro dollar is doing very well. So the only pair that we are short and is not performing so well is New Zealand. And we will see what happens. We are doing great for the moment. We have closed all of our pound positions, $3,712, and I'm patiently waiting now to close TPs on euro dollar at any moment if it continues like this, and dollar CHF. So stand by, guys. We are monitoring the 15-minute chart of euro dollar. Let's see what will happen with this. Thank you.